I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can create agents in Copilot Studio, one with each of the 3 different harnesses that are inside Copilot Studio now. Let's get into it. The first one, I'm just going to start right off with probably the number one recommended harness that you can create for your new solutions, and it is the new GitHub Copilot harness. And I'm starting right off in the new Copilot Studio experience. To get started creating an agent with this, you could just use the chat interface to start describing your agent, or you could just click on Agent right here. That's going to create the new one. However, just keep in mind, this is going to be using Copilot credits, even if your end users have an M365 Copilot license. Keep that in mind, but in my opinion, it's going to be worth it because you're going to get a much better agent than any of the stuff you were creating in the past. We'll get right back to that video, but first, Copilot's really good with working with your data, but the question is, how are you protecting that data? If you don't have a backup and recovery strategy for your organization, this is your wake-up call. Think your cloud data is safe just because it's in Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace? Think again. Accidental deletions, ransomware, and compliance gaps can still put your business at risk. AFI is a next-gen backup and recovery platform built for modern cloud environments, including Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Azure, AWS, and Kubernetes. It offers full fidelity restores, encrypted full-text search, version history, and even self-service recovery, so users can get back data without waiting on IT. And when ransomware hits, AFI detects it early and automatically backs up your data before damage is done. Over 10,000 organizations trust AFI to protect their cloud data. If you care about uptime, compliance, and peace of mind, it's time to back up smarter with AFI. For the second agent, you're going to be going down here to other ways to build, and then you'll see an agent here. This says standard. So this is the classic agent that uses topics. It's nowhere near as good as something using the GitHub Copilot agent harness. And in my opinion, it's not really a harness here at all. But I think Microsoft wanted to simplify the terminology used here. But this is the classic or the normal type of agent that you've likely been building in Copilot Studio. You could also start with an agent flow if you wanted to build out a flow first and then incorporate that into a new agent. You could also get to this other interface by toggling off the new experience and going back to the experience you've been familiar with for the past year or a couple of years, I'd say now. So once we toggle that and respond to the mandatory survey of why we're switching off of the new experience, then you'll have that experience that you're familiar with here, where you can start building out your agent. And you'll see all of your other agents here as well. So this is how you'll create those older style agents that aren't using GitHub Copilot. And if you're getting value so far from this video, then just click that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. It's just a free way that you could support me so I continue making videos just like this for you. Now for the third way, this one's always been one of the hardest to find, but I kind of did just show it there. But what you can do, the third way, by the way, is creating it to run inside of Microsoft 365 Copilot. In order to access that, you always will have to go to the Agents menu, at least in the classic interface. That's how you've done it. I haven't found any new way or any way in the new experience to create this third type of agent, though. But you'll go to the Agents menu, you'll click on Copilot for Microsoft 365, and then you'll see an Agents tab here. Here's where you can create a declarative agent that runs inside of Microsoft 365 Copilot. It won't have topics, it won't have a lot of the other stuff. It'll be very similar to what you build with Agent Builder. It's just that this would be packaged up and stored inside of Power Platform, not inside of Agent Builder, which is kind of stored, I believe, in Cosmos DB and all that. Even the publishing flow is a bit different there. But you'll have your instructions your prompts, adding knowledge in, and you have some additional settings here as well. So if you're wanting to create declarative agents, but you are already deeply invested in Power Platform with other AI solutions, and you want to keep everything together so it's more manageable, maybe give you the option of being able to package up agents into solutions and manage them that way, then this is how you'll want to create those declarative agents. But as I said, the new agent harness that is powered by GitHub Copilot is going to be the preferred method for creating any of your new agents in Copilot Studio. Yes, there is a cost. Yes, Copilot users don't get to use them for free. And yes, I completely agree that this is a real big pain point for organizations that haven't bought any Copilot credits, whether they've haven't bought the Copilot Studio message packs or credit packs or whatever they're going to call them next week, or they haven't bought the really, really gigantic packs of Copilot credits through Azure, the prepaid purchase credit packs or whatever. They're the P3 packs, as Microsoft refers to them. But that's where you could buy like 1 million credits at a time, that kind of thing, at a discount as well. But if you haven't invested in that, then this new experience is going to be really difficult to sell because you're going to have to buy something else. And all of those Copilot costs just continue to add up. And you have to answer questions like, is the return on investment there? And you're trying to reclaim some of the wasted licenses you've got in your organization, but where users either don't use Copilot or really don't use it that much. And so you're still wasting those costs. If you're trying to reclaim all of that, then check out Add Events, and it'll help you reclaim, reallocate, and reassign those licenses in an extremely simple way. And if you want to see other Copilot agent videos, just click or tap the screen, and I'll see you over there.